Hello everyone. Today we are going to begin algebraic expressions and identities exercise 9.5. Here the question number is given like this. Use a suitable identity to get each of the following product. If you use the identity, your works become easy. How it is going to be easy? Let us see now. Then one more thing is that you have to observe the question, then you can think over that which identity it is suitable for that. Now here x plus 3 means x plus 3 whole square. So we can use the identity using identity a plus b whole square, a square plus 2ab plus b square. So if according to the question a is equal to x, b is equal to 3. The same way here a is a, so we can write that x square plus 2ab, 2ab plus 3 square. So here b is equal to 3. I have written x square 2, a means x, b means 3, 2 multiplied by 3, 9. So x square remains same, 2 3s are 6, x 9. Hope you understood the how to find the product. Now let us go to the second question. 2y plus 5, 2y plus 5. Which identity can be used? The same identity, because it is a whole square, it looks the same. Using identity a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. You can use this identity. A is equal to 2y, b is equal to 5. Where a square is there, let us write 2y square, 2ab, 2y into 5 plus 5 square. So here 2y square becomes 4y square plus 20y. How we got the 20? 2 2s are 4, 4 5s are 20 into y. Then 5 square means 25. You have easily get the product. Now let us go to the question number 3. Here you can observe that 2a minus 7, 2a minus 7. Using which identity? A minus b whole square. A square plus 2ab minus b square. Let us know this one how. 2a square plus 2ab. 2 into 2ab. Here according to the sign we have used a is equal to. So b is equal to 7 minus 7 square means I have written directly 49. So 4a square, 2 2s are 4, 4 7s are 28, a minus 49. Let us go to the fourth question. 3a minus half, 3a minus half. Which identity can be used? We can use a minus b whole square. A square minus 2ab plus b square. Let us see now how we are going to calculate the things. Now here according to a is equal to 3a, b is equal to half. How? 3a square. A square means 3a square minus 2ab. 2 into 3a into half. B square means plus half square. So according to that 9a square minus here this I am showing here 2 3s are 6. You are getting 6a upon 2. So if you simplify 2 1s are 2 3s are, you are going to get 3a minus 1 upon 2. If you done square 1 upon 4 you are going to get. Very easily you can solve it. Now the main thing is that the next one 1.1 minus 0.4, 1.1 m plus 0.4. Which one you can use? Using the identity a plus b, a minus b. Here also you can see in the question the same thing. So a square minus b square. So a is equal to 1.1, b is equal to 0.4. So a square minus b square. 1.1 m whole square, 0.4 whole square. So what is the answer for this? 0.11 square, 121. 4 is 16 according to the decimal. Here when we multiply we are getting 2 decimal places, that is the main 1.2 1 and 0.16. Now the next one is a square plus b square minus a square plus b square. Let us know that how it can be. See, here we can change the places. So we can use that a minus b, a plus b, a square minus b square. So how? B square plus a square, b square minus a square. We can write very easily b square minus a square. So a square minus a minus b whole square, a square minus 2ab whole square. So 7a square minus 2ab. 2, 7a, 9b is equal to 9b whole square. We do that 49a square minus 12, 126ab, 81b square. Hope you understood that how to use the identity and solve the problems. Thank you.